Surface area and volume, chapter 9. Open the screen. Here you can see the screen. Can you see the screen? Akash?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Surface areas and volumes. This is not a new chapter right from 7th we are learning this. But here we divide into two parts like prisms and pyramids. What are these prisms and what are these pyramids? We learn in this chapter. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You see here, first surface area and volume of a prism and pyramid is given. But probably we learn about prisms. So what is prism? In prism, we do have cube, cuboid, cone, cylinder, sphere, hemisphere. All these objects are called prisms. Why do we call them as prism? Why don't we call them as pyramid? Let's see now. So here is the definition for, first we'll see the definition for prism. A polyhedra means solid, having two congruent and parallel faces. You see here I'm marking with red color. These two are parallel faces, which are opposite. And bases and whose other faces? Okay, this one. Of course, this is also parallel, but talking about this one.
Yes, sir.
The above, it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is like pentagon. You might be known about pentagon, 5-sided. So here 5 sides we have, and here also 5 sides we have. Means the two sides the same base, like this, same base.
Yes,
The two are opposite and parallel, and the remaining are like rectangles or parallelograms. Here, like parallelograms, they are like that. Okay. That means bases are parallel and equal, and other faces are looking like parallelograms or rectangles. Then it is called a prism. Generally, we do have prisms like a brick is general example, cube and cuboid, parallel piped. And the height of a prism is the distance between the bases. This is the height. And lateral edges of a prism are equally sized parallel edges. These are lateral edges. Means they are equal size. So next, we have two types of prisms. One is regular prism, other one is irregular prism. Regular prism in the sense bases should be regular polygon like square, rectangle, like that. Irregular prism in the sense they are irregular. They are not in the same. Like they are not like square. They are not like rectangle. They will be like different faces, different number of sides. So here you can see triangular prism. Triangular prism means you can see the two bases are like triangles. Okay, these two bases are triangles, and the remaining are like rectangles. You see, this is a rectangle, this is a rectangle, and this is a rectangle. There are three rectangles we have now here. These are lateral faces, and this one are bases, which are like triangles. If the bases, see the word bases, not base. Okay, why I'm stressing here? No, in pyramid we will write base. Here bases will come. In pyramid, base will come.
Yes, sir.
You know, that is the main difference. Here two bases will be there, only one base will be. That is the main difference. And pyramid comes like this. You see, this is called pyramid. Only one base is here. This is like a square, and a triangular surfaces, triangular lateral faces will be. But here, base will be like a square or a triangle or rectangle, whatever it is. So the bases of a prism are triangle, then the prism is called triangular prism. Next.
Yes, sir.
And area of the triangular prism is equal to pH. P in the sense area of the base. Area of the base in the sense area of triangle into height. Area of triangle into height, or area of base into height. That is the area of prism formula.
Yes, sir.
Area of base into height. Next, square prism you can see. Just now we have seen triangular prism. Triangular prism in the sense bases are triangles. Square prism in the sense bases are like squares. Okay, you can see here one square and down one
Yes, sir.
square. The remaining all are like a rectangle, like that. Next, cube. The faces of prism are squares. So all the faces are like cube means dice, dice the best example. Hmm? So cube, we are very
Yes, sir.
familiar with the cube, but cube is called, first of all, it is a prism. Cube is
Yes,
a
sir.
prism, then only it is defined as a cube. The two opposite faces are parallel and they are like squares, and other faces are also equal. Then only it is
Yes,
said to
sir.
be cube. Difference between cube and cuboid, here bases are rectangles. Bases are rectangles. Here one
Rectangle.
base and here one base. Then and two opposite sides are rectangles and two opposite sides are squares. Okay, now?
Yes, sir.
So like next to parallelogram. The parallelogram is like
Sure.
yeah. Next one, parallel piped. Parallel piped in the sense the bases of the prism are parallelogram. In general, we don't use this and we don't learn about this. Very rare it is. And pentagonal prism, hexagonal prism. Okay, these are the types of prism. In general, we use the first three only. And the first one is square, sorry, triangular and square, triangular, square, cube, cuboid. That's all. Triangular, square, cube, cuboid. The next, here is the formula we have. Total number of surfaces of the prism is equal number of lateral faces. Lateral means which are side and top and bottom plus 2. And then next. Next, we are going to the, of course, this formulas you can see once. Pyramid. A pyramid is a three-dimensional geometric shape. Three-dimensional geometric shape formed by connecting all the corners of a polygon. So just now I said all the corners will connect to one point. It will come to one point. It will be like this. Okay, no? It is like pyramid. You see here regular pyramid and
Yes, sir.
irregular pyramid. The base of the pyramid is regular, then base of the pyramid is irregular. Right pyramid, oblique, triangular pyramid, square pyramid, pentagonal, hexagonal. Base is triangle, base is square, base is pentagon, base is hexagon. So let's see what all this. Here you can see the pyramid, which is called as right pyramid. Right pyramid. The length of the perpendicular segment from the vertex to any sides of regular polygon is called the slant height. Of course, a right pyramid will be like this. Surfaces are like triangles and base is square. Next, area of the triangular prism, as usual, the formula 1/2 side of the polygon into slant height. Next, once you go through this formula,
Yes, sir.
next prism is cylinder. A cylinder is a surface generated by a straight line always parallel to a fixed straight line or axis, moving on any closed curve. So circle, we define a circle. Circle is a some collection of points. Some circle is a collection of points from fixed point. Fixed point means that is the center. This
Yes, sir.
distance is called radius. Same like cylinder also same. It is rotating from an axis. This is nothing but height. Same
Yes, sir.
we are having like that, and this is the height and this is the radius of the cylinder. And as it is a circle, the area of the circle is pi r square. We can call it as base area. And the
Yes.
curved surface area, we can define here two types of areas. One is curved, another is total. Curved means except the two faces, top and bottom. We should not add the top and bottom.
Yes.
Total surface area, we should add the top one part. Here, curved surface area is 2 pi RH, 2 pi RH, and top, bottom area and top area, if we add, we get like this: 2 pi RH plus 2 pi R square. Here 2 pi R is common. 2 pi R into H plus R. This is the total surface area of the cylinder. 2 pi R into H plus R and 2 pi R H. Okay.
Yes, sir.
The next diagram. Volume of the cylinder. Volume is always area of the base into height. The formula for volume, area of base to height. Area of base, area is like a circle.
Yes, sir.
Circle only. No? Circle area, what is the formula? Pi R
Pi R
square.
square.
Height is H. So answer is pi R square H. This is the formula.
Yes, sir. What is the cross section, sir?
Cross section means they are taking this part. We don't study about cross section, it's not required. Okay.
Yes.
Only area, volume, total surface, lateral surface, we will see, that's all. So these three formulas. Hollow cylinder in the sense which is empty inside. It is empty inside like a pipe.
Yes, sir.
And you can see the formulas here once. These are in page number 136.
Yes, sir.
First three formulas are about prism, and fourth is also prism, and lateral surface area is also about prism aggregate, and volume general formula. And then seventh one is about cylinder.
Yes, sir.
Seventh one is about cylinder. Eighth one is about what is that?
Hollow cylinder.
Okay. Internal and external. Yeah, hollow cylinder. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Internal and external. Okay, no?
Yes, sir.
Next. Next one we'll see. Because once you read out the formulas,
Yes, sir.
just check the formulas and we will see. We'll go to problems before we go to the problems, just you learn.
Yes.
So number of surfaces of a prism, first formula, number of sides plus 2. Number of edges of prism, number of sides into 3. Sum of lengths of edges is the number of sides into height plus twice the perimeter of the base. Volume of the prism, area of the base into height. Lateral surface area, 1 by 20 perimeter of the base into slant height. Volume of the prism, 1 by 3 area of the base into height. Next is
The
cylinder.
lateral surface or lateral face means side faces, sir.
Only side which are surrounding, excluding up and down. Excluding up and down. Okay.
Lateral surface area.
Total means up and down also we shall take.
Okay. Sir, irregular polygons means circle, or can we say circle and cylinder as examples of irregular polygons?
No. Circle is regular shape. Irregular in the sense they will not be like shapes are uncountable. Shape. No. Sides are not regular. One side is big, one side is small. Like there will be no.
Yes.
There
So what is
regular.
example, sir?
Example we can't say. We just say irregular only. So
Okay.
in physics we'll see that irregular body will take stone is the example. Faces
sir.
are not equal like that.
Yes, sir. Okay. Sir, there is right prism means can we say examples as a cube and cuboid, sir, as right prisms? Sir?
Irregular prism, I'm drawing a diagram on the board, just check. Okay.
Right prism is there no so types of regular prisms.
Cube and cuboid.
Cube square prism, sir.
Square prism in the sense the bases should be squares, top and bottom.
Can we
Only
say square
base.
prism as right prism, sir?
Yeah, we can take.
Okay.
Here, irregular prism I'm drawing. I said, see, opposite faces should be equal. I'm taking like a step. We go to steps now.
Yes, sir.
See, like this I'm drawing. You might be understand. Now you can see here I'm coloring with yellow color. It's yellow color this side, and that side
Yes,
also same like this only will be.
Yes, sir.
But we don't say this is a rectangle or square or circle. Sides are different. No,
Yes,
but
sir.
they're like straight lines, but different shape. We can't give proper name.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
and opposite
Yes,
face, opposite are equal, and remaining are lateral. Okay,
yes,
remaining
sir.
are like parallelograms or rectangles. These are like parallelograms and rectangles. No, this blue color and this
Yes,
yellow color is different shape, irregular. These are like
yes, sir.
irregular prisms. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, Akash, let's see the page number
Yes, sir.
137. Okay, just
Yes, sir.
open it.
Yes, sir.
Take notebook and see. Just try the first question. You have formulas here, total 8 formulas. That formulas and you will get the answer.
Five, sir. Option D.
Okay, what is the first formula? First, you tell me the formula.
Number of lateral surfaces plus 2, sir.
First formula, you know.
Yes, sir.
So plus 2 in the sense 3 plus 2, 5. Okay. Second one. Number of sides.
9,
3.
sir. 9.
Formula into
Edges.
3. Number of
Ah,
3. Into 3. Second formula.
yes, sir.
Okay. If the base of a prism contains 3 sides, then lateral surfaces. So base in the sense, this is the base, which is will be top and bottom. It have 3 sides like this triangle. Then how many
Yes, sir.
lateral faces are coming here? Side, how many are there? 3 means 3 only come now.
3 only, yes, sir.
Answer is 3. Next. The sides of a triangular prism are 12 centimeters, 16 centimeters, 20 centimeters. Height is 15. The total, what is this? Total length of its edges.
sir.
Total length of edges. Formula, third formula is once. Number of sides plus height plus twice the perimeter
height
of the
plus-
base. Perimeter
Yes,
of the
sir.
base, n is the number of sides of the sides of the base, yes, the length of the sides, then s is equal to n into h plus 2s. N into h plus 2s, the formula. Just do it and tell me. N into h plus 2s. This is the formula.
Yes. Here, S means what, sir?
S means number of sides. N is number of sides.
Yes, sir.
And S is the length of edges. Length of edges. Length of edges.
Okay, sir. And here we didn't get length of the edges now, sir.
Here, n is
Yes,
number of sides. How many sides are there? 3 sides.
sir.
No? 3.
Yes, sir.
Height is 15
15. Yes, sir.
plus 2 into total sums. Triangle. No, this is triangle. No.
Yes, sir.
Sum of sides, you tell me.
48, sir.
48. Yeah. Now you do it.
40.
45 plus 96.
141, sir.
141 centimeter.
Yes, sir.
Suppose
Okay.
it is a square means you should add all the sides. Suppose it is a rectangle in the sense you have to take 2 into L plus B, perimeter. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, in the sense perimeter. Total
Yes,
sides, sum of sides.
Yes,
Next
sir.
one, lateral surface area of a triangular prism. Lateral surface area of a triangular prism, 1/2 perimeter of the base into slant height. Formula I'm writing here. 1/2 perimeter of base into slant height. Formula number 5.
Yes, sir.
Just right.
Slant height means height, sir. Sir.
Slant height means like this. This is the slant height. Not straight. In a triangle, this is the slant height, this is the height. Slant height is like this. Hypotenuse in the right angle triangle.
That means you have to take the longest side, sir.
Yes.
Yes, slant height. Okay.
B is equal to n lambda.
Sir, here height only 40 centimeters given, sir. Then what is slant height, sir?
Yes, Akansh.
Here height only 40 centimeters given, no, sir.
Okay.
Then what is how can we get slant height, sir?
Okay, you try this 5, 6, 7, 8. At least any 2 sums you try. Okay, no?
Okay.
Anyway, time is coming. Tomorrow I will explain. Don't worry. 5,
Okay.
6, 7, 8. Okay, no? Akansh?
Yes, sir.
Right. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.